The Storm Rider has always been known as a motorhome that pushes the boundaries of design and engineering, and the 2026 Storm Rider takes this legacy to new heights. With a commanding road presence, modern aerodynamics, and advanced features, it redefines what a motorhome can look like on the outside. This model has been designed not only to attract attention but also to improve efficiency and performance on long journeys. The front end of the 2026 Storm Rider immediately makes a bold statement. The fascia has been sculpted with sharp angles and a streamlined profile. A large panoramic windshield dominates the view, offering an expansive outlook while also enhancing aerodynamics. LED matrix headlights sit elegantly at each corner, providing a futuristic signature and exceptional visibility on the road. The wide grille incorporates active shutters that open and close to manage airflow, improving both cooling and fuel efficiency. The bumper design integrates with the lower air intakes and skid plates, giving the Storm Rider a rugged yet premium appearance. Moving to the sides, the Storm Rider reveals its elongated silhouette. The body lines are smooth and continuous, flowing seamlessly from front to rear. The designers have used lightweight composite panels to enhance strength while reducing weight. Side skirts and aerodynamic fairings help manage airflow, making the motorhome surprisingly efficient for its size. Massive alloy wheels ranging from 20 to 22 inches, depending on configuration, fill the arches with authority. Integrated side cameras replace traditional mirrors, further reducing drag while providing drivers with clearer visibility. Chrome accents outline the windows, while subtle contours along the body add depth and dynamism. At the rear, the 2026 Storm Rider continues to impress with a design that blends utility and style. The LED taillights form a striking light bar across the width of the motorhome, giving it a wide and stable look. The rear bumper is sculpted with aerodynamic cutouts, and a roof spoiler extends slightly to manage airflow more effectively. Storage access panels and external utility ports are seamlessly integrated into the rear design, keeping functionality sleek and visually appealing. A ladder mounted flush against the body provides access to the roof, which is designed to accommodate solar panels and other energy solutions. Performance has been a major focus in the development of the 2026 Storm Rider. Unlike many bulky motorhomes that prioritize only size, this model combines power and efficiency. It comes with a hybrid-assisted diesel engine that delivers both long-range capability and reduced emissions. The drivetrain has been optimized for highway cruising, providing strong torque for heavy loads and smooth acceleration even on steep inclines. Advanced suspension systems ensure a comfortable ride, while the reinforced chassis adds stability on uneven terrain. With improvements in aerodynamics and power delivery, the Storm Rider offers a surprisingly responsive driving experience for a vehicle of its class. When it comes to exterior features, Toyota has gone above and beyond with the Storm Rider. The motorhome comes equipped with full-length retractable awnings for shade and outdoor use. Exterior lighting has been redesigned with smart LED strips that illuminate campgrounds and outdoor areas. Roof rails provide mounting points for additional cargo or sports equipment, and the body includes integrated steps that deploy automatically for easier access. The exterior paint options are extensive, ranging from classic whites and silvers to bold two-tone finishes that enhance its adventurous character. The history of the Storm Rider adds another layer of appreciation for the 2026 model. First, introduced in the late 1990s, the Storm Rider quickly became a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts looking for a balance between comfort and ruggedness. Over the years, it has evolved through multiple generations, each one bringing better aerodynamics, stronger engines, and improved durability. By 2026, the Storm Rider has become a symbol of freedom and exploration, representing the ideal motorhome for those who want to travel without limits. Sustainability has also played a crucial role in shaping the 2026 Storm Rider. The use of recycled materials in exterior body panels and advanced eco-friendly paints reduces environmental impact. Solar integration on the roof supports energy independence, while the lightweight structure contributes to better fuel efficiency. This focus on sustainability aligns with the growing demand for environmentally conscious vehicles without compromising performance or style. The 2026 Storm Rider Motorhome stands as the perfect blend of bold design, advanced engineering, and timeless adventure spirit. Its commanding presence, aerodynamic lines, and versatile powertrain ensure that it remains ahead of the competition. For longtime fans, it continues the Storm Rider legacy of durability and freedom, while for new buyers, it introduces a fresh take on what a motorhome can achieve on the open road. With its futuristic exterior and powerful performance, the 2026 Storm Rider is more than just a vehicle, it is a moving symbol of exploration and innovation.